Ternio Surgical manages surgical assets through preventative maintenance, repair, restoration, and gets them back to the quality of standards for patient procedures. At the end of the day, our customers have so many things on their plate that they're worried about. They don't need to be worried about is their instrument and equipment coming back in good working condition at the OEM standards or above. So we blend software solutions with the services that we have to provide advanced analytics, reporting, and constant communication, real-time portals for the customer so they don't have to worry about where their instruments are, what's being done to them, and when they're getting them back.
A lot of our direct customers in sterile processing are under a lot of stress. They have a very demanding role in the hospital. They have a support role to the operating room. So there's a lot of transparency in what we do versus a lot of our competitors. When our preventive maintenance repair technicians show up on site, they're going to pull the tray out. They're going to log every single instrument in your tray. And each one of those is going to be logged in our system, Repair Tracker. So anytime you need to go back and reference that particular tray, you have the exact date of the last time of service if you need it for reference.
If they had to pull instruments out because they were beyond repair or needed to be sent to our lab for further repairs, through push notifications and through our Repair Tracker portal, they'll have the ability to see who is touching it on our side. Quotations will be sent to them to approve or reject, as well as documentation and images to see what our technician is seeing.
At the lab, we're able to do pretty much everything. Something so simple as repairing a screw, or something as high as rebuilding a bent section on an endoscope. We really take a lot of pride in what we do. When you care about what you do, it shows. It will create that trust with the customer, where they know that they can rely on that instrument. They know that it came from a place where we actually do what we say we're gonna do.
We put a lot of time, effort, and stock into our people and our process to ensure that we can build that trust and build on that trust every single day, because it's not just something you want to send to anybody. You want to know where it is, who's doing it, what's being done to it, and when it's coming back. And I feel like the difference for us is going to be we're transparent along the entire path of that instrument. The way we go about the business is a little bit different, where we listen and we work together for a solution, ultimately to help our customers get their job done easier and better and quicker.